Welcome to video 33. I've returned to this course after a bit of a break because PayPal has made some significant changes to its documentation, its developer portal, and even the way it expects you to connect and pass data into its service. So I want to make sure you're dealing with the most up-to-date information, and I've gone ahead and updated the next couple videos to reflect PayPal's changes. Now with that in mind, I rolled back my code to where it was in video 32. I've done my best to match everything up as best as I can, but if there are any inconsistencies, please feel free to comment on the Killer Sites forums and I'll do my best to help you. Before we jump into the PayPal side of things though, I wanted to take care of two minor bugs that people in the forums pointed out. The first thing is an incorrect link. If we go to a product page and click the Add to Cart button, you'll notice we get a not found error because our URL is incorrect. So you'll note that it's missing the .php. So in order to fix that, we need to open up our product view. So within app, views, public product.php, we need to make sure our link includes the .php. So save that. Let's go back, refresh the page, and you'll notice our product is now added to the cart correctly. And the second thing is a bug that happens when you set the last product in your cart to a quantity of 0 and update the cart. So you'll note that we get some warnings at the top of the page. And to sort of debug this, you have to think about the process of where this cart data is being stored. We have a session variable that holds the individual products in our cart, and it expects us to have IDs for each of the products. If we go to our model, so in the models folder, mcart.php, and look for the update method, here we go. Basically what's happening is you're setting, or in this case you're unsetting, a session variable. So you're setting the product ID and removing it from the cart. So you might be left in a specific situation where the cart session is set, but it doesn't actually have any products in it. And in some cases, the system doesn't know how to handle it because it's expecting this variable to contain your product data. So in order to fix that, we need to make a change to this update function. So down here, after we unset the product data, we need to check if the cart session is empty. So if empty, I'm going to go ahead and copy session cart. So if this session is empty, we also need to unset this variable as well. Like so. Now if I save and go back, in order to remove these errors, you have to clear your session. So an easy way for me to do that, I'm on Chrome, is for me to inspect. I go to resources, cookies, and I clear my localhost cookies. You can also do this by closing and reopening your browser as well. So you'll notice we have removed the errors. Now let's say we add an item to the cart. We set it to quantity of 0, update it. You'll notice everything seems to be working properly now. We don't have any error messages. So join me in the next couple videos. I'm going to be talking about how to set up a PayPal developer account and how to access the API and work with PayPal in the future.